Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a teal blue smoky eye. Okay, it's weird, I know, but I really wanted to do that because it's something colorful plus smoky. So why not? Let's try. By the way, teal blue happens to be one of my favorite colors, if not my favorite, okay? And you can see I have done my base makeup and I have applied a tape over here because I really want that sharp line if you understand. So let's get quickly started. For today's eyeshadow, for today's eye makeup, I'm going to use this Folk Allure Endless Possibilities palette. Oops, there's a little oil on that. Today my argan oil fell all over the place. So yeah, I'll just show you how it looks. You can see how much I have used also. I've used quite a lot. And I'm going to use this color, you know, this is my main color. So let's get quickly started. I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to do my eye. You guys. So I'm going to use this Folk Allure brush set. This is a thin, you know, flat tipped brush. It's not so thin, but it's quite thin. I'm gonna take this shade Burgundy from here, this shade Burgundy, and just dip my brush. These shadows are highly pigmented, so you gotta be really careful with that. And I'm gonna draw a line back and draw a line over here. Okay, you can see that line? Yeah, I'm gonna follow that. I'm just gonna blend it a little inwards in the shape of my eye. You can see the movement that I'm following. Kinda drawing like a wing. You see that? I'm just gonna keep blending it out. Inwards, not outwards, inwards. So, yeah. Nice wing. Taking some more of that color. I'm just gonna draw the. So I'm gonna take another flat brush like this. It's a bit bigger one and a bit fluffier also. So I've covered it with the teal color. Gonna take it on my lid. See, there's a little bit of fallout, but we'll take care of that later. Cover my whole lid. I'm gonna cover my whole lid like this. Ow. Yeah. You can see? Just blending the two together. After this step, I'm gonna take a blending brush. And then I'm just gonna blend out the edges so that, you know, it looks kind of smooth. You wanna make sure that it doesn't go all over the place, okay? The blend, it should, you know, it should not go all up to your eyebrows. It should remain where it is. So just slowly. Very slowly. Yeah. A very small tip blending brush, and I'm gonna take my black color. This color is very pigmented, so be very careful with it. I'm gonna take that much, and just on the edge I'm gonna make it really dark. And gonna blend it inward so that it looks smoky. I'm just patting on the teal a little more so that you know it becomes really prominent, because while blending it, it's losing its pigment. So I'm just patting on a little more, and then I'm gonna blend out the edges a little more. Yep, I think that's beautiful. Let's, yeah, you can clean with your fingers too. I just wanted a really nice shape. Dun. Are you ready for the big reveal? Let's do it. I love this part. I love how it's sharp it looks. It's super good. Yeah, I love it. So clean. Which reminds me, I gotta clean this part too. So I'm gonna take my powder and just roll that out nicely. Yep, done. So this is how it looks. So I'll finish the other eye, I'll put on some liner, mascara, and I'll be right back. I'll finish the whole look. No, before that, I'm really gonna show you how I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I've taken the same brush with Teal and I'm just going on my lower lash line like this. So I cover my whole lower lash line with Teal color like this, and then just blending it out. Make sure you don't make it messy while blending it out. I'm gonna take a kajal. This is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. And I'm gonna put it on my waterline. If you like kajals and if you like smoky eyes, please, every time you do a smoky eye, please put a kajal. It makes a whole lot of difference and it looks really good. Your eyes, they look super good. So just try this. And make your waterline really dark. Then tight line as well, like go on top. And this is how my eye looks. So I'll quickly finish my whole face of makeup and be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back with everything done. I drew a graphic liner as well, put my liner, some mascara, highlighted my inner corner, smoked out my lower lash line, did a whole lot of things, changed my top, put on some earring. These are from Beads on Hook, my sister's page. I'll give the link in the description. Please do follow her and you can get your own customized earring. Like if she can make, she will let you know. Okay, and she has a whole lot of collection thing going on her page, and if you like any, please make sure that you order and support her business. Yeah. Okay, I am really impressed with how the makeup has turned out to be. It looks really beautiful. As you can see, my face is too glowy, and yeah, that's about it, I guess. If you like this makeup look and if you want more such smoky eye, winged eye, or any kind of tutorial, please do let me know. I will be happy to do so, because I really love creating eye looks. You know, I have done a whole lot of face painting on my page as well. You can check it out. Go follow me on Instagram. You will see how much I have done, and I'm gonna resume really soon. And meanwhile, enjoy this kind of makeup. I'm doing only eye makeup. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that's all. Bye bye.